So yes, we expect there's a comment on Bitcoin against the United States dollar. We expect a correction, not not a big climb, just a correction, small correction. We just checked Bitcoin and Ethereum. At that point, there's going to be a short, and we would consider that there's going to be a big drop. Yes. Okay, so let's take a look. Today is risk. It's not a risk adverse day. It's a risk taking day because of the increases in interest rates in the majors. All right, so this is the trade management chart. So everything is rising against the yen, but we think it's going to be a top out. So we were looking at that level 156.20. That move that we were into, I don't know if it closed out or not. We were considering to close out yesterday in case we had adverse market reaction after that ADP number. So we were quite cautious that if we had an adverse reaction, the market is moving inside of this ending diagonal. There's of course there's high degree 1-2 still extending, so there's a 1-2, there's an internal 1-2, there's a 3-4, there's a 5. All right, that 5 would have taken us actually potential to take us to 156.10, 156.15. right now we're looking at 156.20. We actually broke out a bit of this leading diagonal. If we are long, we would continue to hold. If you are fortunate enough to be long, we would continue to hold the longs until we get to see negative momentum on the 1 hour chart. Sorry. Okay, we will not be doing shorts, but we expect that the market is going to do that correction quite soon because we are approaching level 1 on the 4 hours. Right, so we all remember this chart. This is our 4 hour chart, standard chart. We know that we're out of the degree 4C. Alright, so there's been a 1-2. This materialized into probably now on that 4 hour chart. We expect the count has been elevated as shown. What's coming next is quite a bit tricky. So we're having a count here, a level 1-2. There's an internal 1-2. This is actually the end of 2. This is a wave 3. There has been an internal 1, an internal 2, and a 3. Now the market is at a neckline. This should be the end of 3, and we're going to be looking at a 4. It is possible also that this is an ABC. This is just an AB, and we can correct lower.